In a rain-swollen valley, a rope technician named Lion balances on a shaky girder, inching toward a trapped hiker. The wind howls unsupported by time or mercy as she clips her harness and whispers a calm ritual before taking the next breath. Below, sirens wail and debris drifts like dark snow, while she negotiates knots and gaps with a surgeon's precision. When the hiker reaches safety, Lion exchanges a tired smile for the memory of the chasm that nearly claimed them both. Her story is a quiet vow that risk wears a face, but careful training makes courage possible.